In the automotive industry, we know that repairing vehicles safely, efficiently, and cost-effectively is not only good for the customer, it's good for business. That's why it's important to carefully consider the parts you choose for each and every repair. When a vehicle is in an accident, many repair estimates today call for parts certified by the Certified Automotive Parts Association, or CAPA. CAPA certified parts are comparable and often more affordable aftermarket alternatives to original equipment, or OE, parts. Think of it like buying a generic version of a name-brand drug. CAPA parts might come in a different box, but they're made of similar materials as an OE part and perform just as well, while potentially costing you a whole lot less. CAPA certified parts go through rigorous testing to ensure they are a comparable, safe, and reliable alternative to OE replacement parts. But when an estimate calls for CAPA parts and repairers choose to use OE parts instead, quality aftermarket options are eroded. This starves competition, giving people fewer choices when they need a repair, and eventually winds up degrading the industry as a whole. It's like neglecting a garden and expecting it to flourish. Remember, the grass is greener where you water it. By supporting competition between OE replacement parts and aftermarket parts, we at CAPA are working to foster a healthy automotive repair ecosystem. When aftermarket options like CAPA certified parts thrive, customers can access high-quality repairs without breaking the bank. Insurers can use the savings to offer lower premiums, and independent repair shops can offer competitive prices and quicker turnaround times, getting owners back in their cars faster. The entire automotive industry benefits from a diverse market where innovation and affordability go hand in hand. Remember, the grass is greener where you water it. Let's continue nurturing the garden of competition and help build a stronger, more sustainable automotive industry for everyone. Because in the end, it's not just about the parts we use, it's about the future we create.